The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 stands as a testament to automotive artistry and engineering prowess. This flagship sedan embodies the pinnacle of luxury, seamlessly blending opulence, technology, and performance. For those who demand the very best, the Maybach S Class beckons. This is not just a car, it's an experience. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, every feature thoughtfully integrated. The Mercedes Maybach S Class represents the pinnacle of the Mercedes-Benz brand. Mercedes-Benz, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation, has a long and storied history dating back to the early 20th century. The Maybach name itself carries its own weight, harkening back to Wilhelm Maybach, a pioneering figure in the automotive industry. The Maybach brand, revived by Mercedes-Benz in the early 2000s, represents the absolute pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity within the Mercedes-Benz portfolio. The Maybach S Class embodies this philosophy, taking the already impressive S-Class platform and elevating it to new heights of luxury and sophistication. It's a car built for heads of state, captains of industry, and those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's a symbol of success, a statement of power, and a testament to impeccable taste. More than just a car, it's a rolling embodiment of automotive artistry and engineering excellence.